Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to transform your home and give it a fresh new look without breaking the bank? Today, we're diving into the top 10 upcycling projects that turn everyday trash into useful and aesthetic items for your home. Upcycling is not only an exciting and creative way to personalize your living space, but it's also an environmentally friendly practice that reduces waste. Have you ever wondered how to turn a simple discarded item into a beautiful piece of home decor? Well, stick around because we're about to reveal some amazing upcycling ideas. Curious? Let's jump right in. And don't skip a second, because by the end of this video, you'll find a bonus project that's too good to miss. 1. Charming wine bottle vases. Don't toss out those empty wine bottles just yet. Transform them into elegant vases for your flowers. Start by cleaning the bottles thoroughly and removing any labels. You can paint them in various colors or wrap them in twine for a rustic look. Another idea is to decoupage them with patterned paper for a unique design. Once done, fill them with your favorite flowers and place them around your home for a touch of charm. But there's another unexpected use for empty wine bottles that we'll reveal later. Plus, do you know how to make bottle lights? Stay tuned. 2. Fun and functional pallet furniture. Wood pallets are incredibly versatile for upcycling projects. With a bit of cutting, sanding, and painting, you can create stylish furniture pieces like outdoor seating, coffee tables, and even beds. Start by sourcing a few pallets and plan your design. After sanding them down, you can stain or paint them to match your decor. Pallets make an excellent base for outdoor furniture, especially when paired with comfy cushions. Did you know there's another way to use pallets that doesn't involve furniture? Keep watching to find out. And do you know the secret to making pallet furniture look high-end? We'll cover that in a bit. 3. Upcycled mason jar organizers. Mason jars are perfect for organizing small items around your home. Paint the lids or jars to match your color scheme and use them to store office supplies, bathroom essentials, or kitchen ingredients. You can also attach the lids to a plank of wood and mount it on the wall for a stylish hanging organizer. But we have another mason jar project that's even more creative. Plus, do you know how to make mason jar lanterns? Stay tuned. 4. Repurposed drawer shelves. Old, unused drawers can be repurposed into unique shelves. Start by removing the hardware and giving the drawers a fresh coat of paint or stain. Hang the drawers on the wall horizontally or vertically to create instant storage space. This is a great way to showcase collectibles, books, or plants. And just wait until you see the other way to repurpose drawers. We'll get to that shortly. Plus, do you know how to turn drawers into planter boxes? Keep watching. 5. Creative tire ottomans. Give old tires a new lease on life by transforming them into stylish ottomans. Start by cleaning the tire and wrapping it in braided rope. Secure the rope with hot glue as you wrap it around the tire. For added comfort, place a cushion on top and cover it with fabric. These ottomans are great for outdoor spaces and add a unique touch to your decor. But have you considered the other creative ways to use old tires? We'll reveal some ideas soon. Plus, do you know how to make a tire swing? Stay tuned. 6. Innovative crate bookshelves. Wooden crates can be stacked and secured together to create customizable bookshelves. Paint or stain the crates to match your decor. Then arrange and attach them in a configuration that suits your space. These bookshelves are not only affordable, but also add a rustic charm to any room. Did you know there's another way to use crates that's even more functional? Keep watching to find out. Plus, do you know how to make a crate coffee table? We'll cover that shortly. 7. Stylish cinder block garden planters. Cinder blocks can be repurposed into modern garden planters. Arrange the blocks in a pattern that suits your space, fill the holes with soil, and plant your favorite flowers or herbs. You can paint the cinder blocks for a more polished look or leave them as they are for a minimalist vibe. But there's another way to use cinder blocks that you won't believe. We'll reveal it soon. Plus, do you know the best way to create a cinder block fire pit? Stay tuned. 8. Transformative door turntable. Old doors can be repurposed into eye-catching tables. Start by sanding down the door and painting or staining it to match your style. Add legs or place it on top of a set of sturdy sawhorses. This project is a perfect way to create a unique dining table or desk with a story to tell. And just wait until you see another way to use old doors. We'll get to that shortly. Plus, do you know how to turn an old door into a headboard? Keep watching. 9. Upcycled ladder storage. Old ladders can be turned into unique storage solutions. Sand down the ladder and give it a fresh coat of paint if needed. Lean it against a wall to use as a bookshelf, towel rack, or plant stand. This project adds a quirky touch to any room and provides practical storage at the same time. But there's another surprising way to use an old ladder that we'll cover soon. And do you know how to turn a ladder into a pot rack? Stay tuned. 10. Artistic frame chalkboard. Turn an old picture frame into a functional and stylish chalkboard. Start by removing the glass and backing from the frame. Paint the backing with chalkboard paint and reattach it to the frame. Hang it in your kitchen or office for jotting down grocery lists, reminders, or inspirational quotes. But we have another creative way to use picture frames. You'll have to stick around to find out. Plus, do you know how to make a gallery wall with old frames? Keep watching. There you have it, 10 incredible upcycling projects that transform everyday trash into useful and aesthetic items for your home. But remember, these are just the beginning. Upcycling is all about creativity and thinking outside the box. If you enjoyed these projects and want to see more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Before you go, be sure to check out our next video where we reveal even more upcycling ideas that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and happy upcycling!